welcome to Call of Duty. Today I will explain to you about how to make a simple way to keep livestock for catfish. Okay, I have a big tongue in here. I think not more than 1 cubic. I think less for 1 cubic. Okay, this is just I immersed it in the soil, so will be fixed. And because my tongue is leakage, yeah, it's tongue. Oh, this tongue is big. I don't know, but this is tongue. I said, yeah. So just put the cat piece in here, so you can take it every time, every day, and when you need. Yeah, okay. And I have kangkung in here, and this is eceng kondok, yeah, to keep the good condition in this tongue. Okay, if you think this video useful, share to others, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Look at that, this is a catfish, many catfish in here.